Laura with Toyota of Bozeman and LauraToyota.com. Today I want to show you the 3 best vehicles you can use for car camping. This is really popular in the Northwest. It's when you can go deep in the mountains with your Toyota and camp in it for safety. Let's take a look, and I'm going to have some help from some of my taller gentlemen here to give you a feel for how well a person can fit and camp in any of these vehicles. Alright, so my 3 picks are the Toyota Tacoma Double Cab with the TRD Sport Package and preferably a topper, the Toyota 4Runner Trail Edition, and the Toyota Tundra with the TRD package in the double cab configuration. This is Will, one of the guys that works with me at Toyota Bozeman. Will, of the 3, which one would you like to car camp in?
I'm siding with the Tacoma.
Yeah? Why do you say that?
The topper. So then that way, when I'm on my fishing trips, my hunting trips, you know, whatever I'm doing outside, I'm not getting rained on, there's no mosquitoes in my sleeping bag, no ground squirrels, no nothing. You know, so Tacoma by far. That's
my first pick, being the Toyota Tacoma Double Cab Long Bed with a topper, is probably the most popular for campers. It gives you a 6-foot bed, and the reason I like the TRD package is in here. You have an outlet. I can think of 1,000 things that you'd want to plug in while you're out in the woods, keeping phones charged or things of that nature. A topper is just the cherry on top of the camping sundae. It'll keep you dry and it'll keep things quiet while you sleep in the back. The 4Runner is unquestionably one of the strongest and most capable off-road vehicles that we have, still made with a body-on-frame construction, so it can get you into the rugged mountains. And as long as you buy one without a 3rd row, these seats fold relatively flat, and like I say, in a couple minutes here I'm going to have some help with some of my guys showing you how much space there really is. Most of them will have an outlet as well, and again, I can't say how often that comes in handy while you're camping. Also on the 4Runner Trail, you have crawl control and some other features that are really going to help you get deep into the mountains where other vehicles would never be able to go.
So relaxed. So much room. So much space for activities.
Space for activities. So do you fit pretty comfortably?
Yes.
Would you say that this is something you'd want to take for camping?
Oh yeah.
Have you camped in your 4Runner?
Oh yeah.
And now perhaps the most obvious of the vehicles to use for car camping is the double cab. This is the SR5 with the TRD package. And the reason that I recommend the TRD package is pretty simple. You have these off-road shocks and a skid plate underneath that's really going to protect this truck when you're going out into the wilderness. That TRD package just keeps it really, really capable, so you can get in places that other vehicles couldn't. The double cab leaves us a 6.5-foot bed, so most people are going to fit really comfortably in there. And we even have a tow package, so if you even want to have an alternative and pull an RV into the woods, you have that option as well, with the tow capacity ranging in the 10,000-pound area. So there are my recommendations for car camping. Again, something we love to do in the Northwest. All you need to do is grab your camping chair, grab your cooler and your marshmallows, and you'll be good to go. You can contact me for more information on Toyotas with information below or at LauraToyota.com. Thanks for watching.